All right. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking at some news coming out, of course, we will kind of get into it a little bit more into detail, but let's take a look at the broader market. If you're looking at the broader market, we are seeing a continuation of red across the board. So, what's happening right now? Bitcoin price has actually gone down below $60,000, which of course is going to impact the broader market. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, pretty much the gains, a lot of people were making over the course of the last, 1 week are slowly getting wiped out. And this is why, number one, it's so important to look at these targets and actually lock in profits on the way up. Really, really important. Of course, the people that accumulate for the long term, as long as you have done your due diligence research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then, pretty much patience is your number one key to follow. But pretty much the broader market is, obviously reacting to that Bitcoin move. But we'll come back to the price. Very interesting things, of course, we need to cover regarding the price. But let's get into a little bit more into detail as to what's going on. So $110 million liquidated from cryptocurrency market in just the past 60 minutes as the price of Bitcoin actually fell below the most important support line, as you guys know, which is at that 60K. We fell below it and actually retested the 23.6 Fibonacci support level. Actually saw the price going down to $57,000, and hence you are seeing quite a bit of red across the board. Anyhow, just a quick reminder to each and every one of you guys, especially if you're new to the market, do not, trade futures platform. If you're falling for these bonuses, someone's telling you, you will get this XYZ bonus, just stay away from it, guys. Futures platform is something I'm completely against. I've been saying this from the beginning of my journey as a content creator. I am so against it. I've been offered, and I'm not going to name which exchanges have come to me to offer big amounts of money, but I don't take it because I do not believe in it, and I suggest you guys to stay away from it as well because you can get wiped out in a snap. Anyways, let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So Trump and Kamala Harris to debate on ABC September the 10th. So, this is a highly, highly anticipated debate, of course. And, the date has been set for September the 10th. And that is coming sooner than you think. The month of August is coming to an end. We're, approaching at the end of quarter three and going into, of course, quarter four. Things are going to look exciting. And, of course, that is in October. But, September 10th, that is the date, so mark your calendars regarding that. But anyhow, I want to talk about this. I'm sure you guys know about this. This is one of the production companies in LA, and they are making a documentary regarding the XRP lawsuit. So you can see they announced officially, we are excited to announce that we're targeting the release of XRP Unleashed for the November. We've taken the matter, we've taken the matter into our own hands and are pursuing self-disruption. This means the documentary will be available on a few platforms like Apple TV and Amazon without their support. Hollywood in general is in free fall, so there is less appetite more than ever on a new content that isn't from established providers. This means just like we've done this whole time, we have to remain self-financed and produce this project without their assistance. Very interesting, but this XRP documentary is going to be interesting. Let's see how that goes. And again, that is causing some excitement within the board as far as the XRP community is concerned. But I really wanted to go over this right now to show you guys what's really happening in terms of whales. So Ripple XRP whales have accumulated significant XRP tokens in the last 24 hours, as reported by a prominent crypto expert. You could see XRP whales on a buying spree. It is reported that XRP whales have added over 50 million tokens in the last 24 hours, increased their holdings by approximately $29.5 million. This suggests that the whales were taking advantage of the recent price drop. However, the massive accumulation comes following the announcement of the XRP documentary by the Los Angeles-based film studio Fruition Production. Anyways, major liquidation levels and market sentiments. So according to the on-chain analytic firm CoinGlass, investors and traders have been betting more on the long position than short position over the past 7 days. And again, like I said, number one, stay away from leverage trading. But this kind of shows you the sentiment that investors in general have towards the XRP's price, because more are thinking that the price is going to go up. Hence, you're seeing more long positions. So the investor confidence has switched, but still, as I've said over the course of the last few updates, that there's still a huge amount of money that's on the sideline. People that are still hesitant, thinking that there potentially could be an appeal from the SEC. Hence, you're not seeing the full magnitude of interest coming towards XRP right now, and that is a reality that a lot of people need to accept. So at a press time, major liquidation levels were at near 57.7% on the lower side and 60 on the higher side, as traders are over leveraged at these positions. And again, I'm going to get a little bit more into detail as that, because the price is sitting at specific levels due to Bitcoin's move. XRP technical analysis. According to the expert technical analysis, XRP was in an upwards trend, and it is trading above the 200 exponential moving average. Sorry guys, on the daily time frame. So pretty much the 200 EMA, it's sitting above that. So of course that is nice to see. Additionally, and again, I do see that on my charts. When I share the charts, you will see that on there if you know the technical analysis standpoint. Additionally, XRP looks bullish due to the formation of an inverted head and shoulder price action pattern on a daily time frame. And with that said, that has kind of gotten invalidated. Reason as to why that's the case is because, we did see Bitcoin and it's continuing to hold actually below that key support line. Anyhow, if you're looking at the price of XRP, the price of XRP is currently sitting at 57.5 cents, down about 4.1%. But, what's very interesting is that it's actually up 2% in Bitcoin comparative right now. So, the momentum is still there, believe it or not. And, while the market started to see a correction earlier this morning, before the price of Bitcoin did go below $60,000, you did see XRP maintaining its price above that 59 cents. But of course, once Bitcoin went down below 60K, it's not, a surprise at the fact that XRP is reacting to it as well. But market cap at 31.7 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1.5 billion. So as far as dominance index is concerned, dominance index is pretty much sitting at, all-time high. So it's still on the verge of breaking towards the new yearly high. And again, this is not a big good sign for altcoins specifically. Bitcoin, on the other hand, let's actually give it not even a refresh live. I want to switch it to the daily time frame. So you could see this for yourself, guys. You can make some of these things up. You saw the price of Bitcoin fall down to $58,000, pretty much at the neckline of the 23.6, and is seeing a little bit of a bounce. So is it able to reclaim back above 60K? We'll see. But you're pretty much finding Bitcoin back where it was in a snap, and this is why you don't want to get excited. This is why it was so important for the price of Bitcoin to stay above $64,000, and this is why the $64,000 is a confirmation level for myself, because look at it. We bounced there like 2-3 times, but never managed to see that actual close that I've been speaking about. Hence, you did see a little bit of weakness, and of course, there's some broader, global news that need to be considered in terms of global tensions that could also trigger a little bit of, a downside in the price of crypto as well as the traditional markets. But you are finding the price of Bitcoin back below 60K. Whales trying to manipulate the markets, and again, stay away from leverage trading. A continuous reminder. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with XRP. So pretty much the price of XRP right now has dropped below. Actually, hold on. Let's go to the hourly time frame for XRP. Of course, it's gonna lag on us. Let's give it a refresh live. XRP, is that it? No, that's not the chart we need. We need the Kraken one. There we go. So let's go on the daily time frame. There we are. So the price of XRP fell down below the support level after literally a week. More than a week, actually. We fell below this key support, and the significance of this support. I've pretty much highlighted to you guys how important this is, and reason as to why you have seen the price drop is because of the correlation it has with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen quite a significant drop, to be quite frank with you. So to all the people that can come out and say, oh, XRP is dropping, well, you need to understand how the overall market works. And I'm one of the very few influencers, and I'm not going to come here and then try to brag or anything like that, but pretty much one thing I want you guys to realize is I'm one of the ones that talks realistic about XRP, not one of these bogus extremely unrealistic price predictions. I haven't even talked about price prediction in terms of past the all-time high. What I try to tell you guys is, think realistically. Don't fall for these crazy price predictions you see on a day-to-day basis, because those are unrealistic, and there's no chance a $50 to $100 XRP, $20 let alone, will ever happen for XRP price this cycle. There's no chance, because you need to think about it on a realistic standpoint, and that would require crazy market valuation in order for that to be obtained. It would need to be above Bitcoin, and that's not going to happen, believe it or not. I don't want to obviously break it down to the big believers, especially the newcomers that might have thought that, but on the Crypto ZX channel we keep it 100% realistic. But pretty much I've been talking about one specific target as of now, which is the 78.6, and that's the target where I have my eyes on before I think excitement really kicks in for XRP, and as of now we're not obviously close to it. So obviously that target remains the same. Right now we're sitting below this key support, which of course is resistance, and that is due to Bitcoin. So we need to keep that factor in mind. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.